Hello friends, it's Janice with Paul's Dream and Joy. I actually have two cards to share with you today, mainly because I really loved this card and I was so excited about putting it together. I forgot to film putting it together for you.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
But here it is. Isn't it cute? So we're going to make another one just like it with a different picture, just so you can have the experience of seeing how it goes together. Now I did put one little blue gem on here, just for kicks and giggles. I've got some hearts I could put on it, and I've got some of these little fun gems I can put on this one. So we're going to put this one together just like the other one, just so you can have the whole experience. Let me see. Get my card base out. So we're going to adhere the background first. I'll have a link in the description for all the items that I'm using, so you can go find them if that's something that you're interested in, and hopefully won't have any problem seeing where they are. Uh-oh. That's no bueno. Okay. So we got the background done. Now we're going to put this one up here. Ta-da! Now we're going to put this one here. And we can have it overlapping. We can have it coming in a little bit. I think I'll just put it in to this, off to the side here. And down a little bit. Still plenty of room for that. And then this little darling, look at her. Is she just not precious? She's got a basket full of peaches. Isn't that wonderful? She's so cute. So we're going to put her over here as well. And I've already put edging, ink edging around both of the images for each card. So put this one here. Now, send me some vibes. Do you want me to put the hearts on there? Or a heart on there? Or do you want me to put some blingies, some shiny little blingies on there? Think about it. Send me some vibes. All right, we're going to do the hearts. You ready? That was the vibe I was getting. So let's do the heart right here. And we'll put another one right there. How about that? Ta-da! Ta-da! Thank you so much for visiting with me today. I really appreciate it. If you like what you're seeing and you'd like to see more, feel free to hit the like button and the subscribe button and tell your friends about it. And we just really appreciate it. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next time. Bye!